Good morning, everyone. Well, we are the student of HPS International School. Today, we are here to debate on the topic online versus offline. So they are team B, and they are in the favor of online, and we are in the favor of offline. So according to me, offline is better than online because in offline shopping we can satisfy with the product and purchase the product. And according to you, Yasika?
I disagree with you because in online sector we can check the reviews and the recommends of the customers, and we can check the discount of the product, that what is the available now and what was the available previous.
Sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
But in offline shopping, we can do bargaining and we can see our product that is not broken or thing. For example, if we buy a glass thing and it is broken on online shopping, so it is packed on a cover, so we can't see it that it is broken or not. And in offline shopping, we can touch and see it.
Again, sorry to interrupt you. I disagree with you because in online sector we get the return and exchange options on many of the website, and we have to check, and we have to check the websites recommendation, and we have to check the websites we have to check the websites disclaimer. There are many disclaimer in the website, and we can exchange, and we can return it, we can get our money back, and we can get discount if there are many some problem in a product. So the customers who had buy and purchased before, they give their review and their recommendation, and the rate of the website we can also check, and by the rate and the
Sorry to
review.
interrupt you, but in offline shopping, we can do bargaining.
Yeah, but in online shopping we can get discount, and I agree with you that we can't bargaining, but we can get discount, and in many website at many time the discount available, and the shop is going on, the option is available because they clear the previous product in just like that.
Sorry to interrupt you, but offline shopping, in online shopping, a problem of size or quality have many problems. So what can you say?
The size and the quality option is also available, and now I disagree with you that you said that we can't check size. You can also exchange of the color of the product because there are size and color, and also quality option available in the option.
But according to me, it is the time taking process. It's take too much time that we want a product in a recent time. The online shopping is taking too much time.
Sorry to interrupt you, Vanshika. How you can say this that it take too much time? Suppose you are going market and it's not wasting of time. You are wasting your time. You are reaching a market in 2 or 3 hours.
We can spend our time in 2 or 3 hours or taking one day in offline shopping.
Yes.
But in online shopping, the
You
time
know,
is taking 2 or 3
for
days.
choosing the product, you have only taken 5 minutes. You can choose the product, but for taking the product from market, you will have need for 2 or 3 hours. You will have need.
But in the online shopping, we have to need 2 or 3 days. We have to wait for 2 or 3 days if we want to resend in 1 or 2 hours. So we can do offline shopping and we can get it.
I beg to differ, Vanshika, because there are one day delivery also option available in any of the many websites, not any of the website, many website one day delivery, but just you have to charge one or two
Sorry to
rupees
interrupt
more.
you, but if we order something, it takes 1 or 2 days.
Yeah.
And if it's not, if it is broken, so we want to return it and buy other. So it takes also 1 day to return. And when we bought another, it's a variety, but another thing. So it also take 1 day. So it takes too much time. But in offline shopping, we can go there in 1 to 2 hours, and just according to him, we can see it in only 1 to 2 hours.
Yeah, I agree with you that it is a lengthy time taking process, but if you are getting right product, so it does not matter that how much time you are wasting. It matter that the product is right or not, the product is good, the product's quality is good, and the discount is also more than the offline shopping. So
Sorry
that's
to
why.
interrupt you. many of the villages have not reached the technology, so what can they do? The persons who don't know how to shop online, so what can they do?
The other can inspire him na, in him or her other can tell him how to use the online websites.
If others have also not
Udit, I
knowledge
beg to
of,
differ you. In today's world, in today's technology world, everyone know that how to use mobile phone, how to use any type of the website.
how,
You know,
how can you say that
I
the many of the every people knows the how to shopping online?
you can prove that in this world nobody
Yes.
use
Yes, I can explain it. In my village, 50% of the people knows how to
I also
shopping.
can explain that my sister's daughter is 5 years old and he use mobile phone very well.
And the people
See
who are
you.
older, what can they do?
So they can take help their daughters. their
Sorry to interrupt
children's-
you, but I want to ask you another thing. That in the online shopping, they show the things is too much nice and too much good. But when we bought it, sometimes it becomes very dull.
Yeah.
And the color of the things that sometimes we buy and cloth from online shopping, and the color of its color is changed when we buy it.
Karan, according to me, when you purchase things and buy a product using online shopping, so you can check the quality and the product and see the revenue review. The peoples can buy product and give their reviews.
But in online shopping, sometimes we check the quality and the details of that product, and when we get that product, it completely changes. It's happened with me before 2 or 3 days that I purchased a new cloth, and in their details, its quality is something different, and what we get, it's something different.
You all are saying again that its size and color are different, which we choose it's different from that. We are again and again saying to you that there is so many options for selecting other and return it.
But if we want to get that item or product recently, so what can we do?
Okay,
Vanshika.
I'm agree with you that it will take time, but you know that suppose you don't have money in the market, you are going money and your money is lost there while traveling, your money is lost. So how you can do, how will you buy the product?
As you know that today are many of the things are going on,
Yes.
like Paytm.
Suppose
ATM card.
suppose someone don't have scanner, so how you can do that?
No, nowadays
Just listen to me,
all
just-
have
Sorry to
scanner.
interrupt you, but it also possible in online shopping.
Just
We
we are
have
discussing current. Just we are discussing here about online and offline sector. Just and you are discussing about shopping and shopping again.
It's also happen in some also sectors.
But online learning and offline learning are different from online shopping and
Nowadays,
online.
the people take phone to study, but they don't
So it
study.
depends on their mind how
Yes.
they instruct
When you have
their
a
mind.
In online study, the people don't study properly. In offline shopping, they understand properly and they get a good
Okay,
mark.
how you can prove it that in the class we can study properly?
Because the doubts we have, we can ask
In the
our
online
teacher.
classes we can also ask
There
any
are
question.
many questions, so what can the teacher all doubts solve?
Yes, easily he or she
Udit,
can solve.
Udit,
No.
please tell me. Let us consider a problem. That your guideline, your teacher lives a mile away from your house, and he takes online classes every day. He takes online classes, and you also used to take classes from him. But you have doubt recently, and just you will go to his house, and just you will take online classes to clear out your doubt. Tell me, please. And you have not time to spend your time just like that.
I ask
activities.
him tomorrow.
And
But if we are studying online, so it's a specific time that from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock the online study we will study online. But in 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock we don't study it because it was recent. We can't share our doubts with our teacher.
but we can check our previous classes to solve some situations.
Yeah.
So as the previous classes, we have also the some teachers that we have a nearby, and we can take the help of our elders and many things.
But they are not available at that time. What will you do?
Yes, I agree with all of you that nowadays today's the online and offline section both are playing most of the important role in our country and in our nearby places. In learning, in shopping, in every field, online and offline shopping is taking place. So according to me, both are same and both are important in our life.
Yeah, both were same in our